welcome to my channel Tassie RC Crawlers. I'm Leonie and I'm from Northern Tasmania, Australia. Today I'm doing an unboxing of my new trail truck that I got from HT Direct in Australia. It cost me $479 and $15 delivery. I ordered it on Friday and it turned up today, which is Wednesday, so very quick delivery. I have a 1/8 HSP that I've used for the last couple of years, but I thought I'd get something a bit more realistic, and I've always wanted one of the actual trail honchos, but they have actually changed now. So I've got the SX10 number 2, so it's pretty exciting. I haven't even opened this box yet, so you're joining in with me. Just a few of the features: Metal Gear, water resistant Tactic servo, a 35 turn brushed electric motor which is water resistant, a 2.4 gigahertz Tactic transmitter, a 3-channel 2 gigahertz receiver, a waterproof receiver box, adjustable coil over shocks, wild bore drive shafts, adjustable battery tray, and a waterproof drag brake. It has an AR44 axle. It has 1.9 Falcon tyres, mud terrain tyres. And what does it say on the side? It's got a realistic transmission case, AX10 transmission, dual slipper clutch, LED lights are included, 2 on the front bumper and 2 on the rear. HI pinion gears, chassis mounted servo, 4-link rear suspension, high pinion axle, and 1.9 hole wheels. A lot of this I don't understand, but I guess I'm going to learn as I go along. And what you do need to get is 4 AA batteries for your transmitter, a battery for the honcho, and a charger to charge your battery. Now I'm going to open this box and see what's inside. I'm a bit excited. I've been waiting a long time to get this. Oh, I'm even seeing that. Okay. Wow, that looks awesome. We have our manual, which you need to keep because it would have all your spare parts numbers in. There's more decals, and this is the truck. Let's see if I can, it's up underneath. We have the transmitter, that's got a big hand grip on it, great for people with big hands. A bag of spare parts, which is always good. I found that things do go wrong with your crawlers after having my HSP. Now to get this good looking thing out of its box, I will be doing some mods and upgrades on it later on. there she is. The tyres feel like they got a good bit of grip there, nice and soft. Great looking bumper on the front, bull bar. I think it might get caught on things easy, so I might change that one. You got your spotlights, your 2 LED spotlights, and got your two LED tail lights on the back there, and nice body pins. They've got tags on them, make them easy to pull off. That's it there. Attention. And this is where you fit your battery in. It does say it's an adjustable battery tray. I'm hoping my battery will fit it. I have got a 2-cell 4000 LiPo, but it's looking like it might be too big. I might have to get a different battery. Well, there you go. It looks pretty good. I might get some rock sliders and maybe a new bumper, and later on I'd like to make it purple. Later on I'll do some comparison videos with my partner. He's just got the Viterra Ascender that he's got unboxed soon, and I'll do comparison videos against his and on the trail, and do some track builds. Okay, I think it looks like it's going to be a pretty good vehicle. I can't wait to get it out on the track to see how it handles. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll have some more videos out soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying.